Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory B. You already know I'm back with another video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say I appreciate it. Period. So today I am doing a what's in my purse video, tag, whatever it is. I don't know, but basically I'm going to show you guys what's in my purse. And yeah, so this is my bag right here. Simple bag. I think I got it from, like, where did I get this bag from? I don't even know where I got this bag from, but this is my bag. I just wanted a simple black over the shoulder bag. Like, I didn't want it to be designer, none of that, because if it gets lost or something gets on it, you know, or if it tears, it's fine. It didn't cost that much. It cost like $12. It's good. So I just wanted something simple. I have designer bags, but I don't even wear them, so I just stuck with a simple, you know, little strap right here, you know what I'm saying, and a little zipper on the back that nothing goes in. So I am going to start. So basically, in this little compartment thingy right here, I start off, I have my glass case with my glasses in here, because I wear contacts and never know when I'm gonna need these bad boys. These are my readers, you know what I'm saying? I keep my readers in there. Then right along with my glass case, I keep a little contact case. Never know when, you know, my contacts, I gotta pop them out, they irritate my eyes, something gets on them, I have to take them out, so I keep this handy as well. Do you already know you gotta keep that charger clutch, you know what I'm saying? But I found them pretty well actually with keeping the battery going, so I just keep this just in case. I mean, I don't really be needing it, but I just keep it in. Then after that, I have my little iridescent, I love this wallet, that has my middle name on the keychain right here. It says Michelle. But it's just a simple wallet that I keep my cards in. I ain't finna show y'all because some of these cards are personal. Like, all my important cards basically are in this little pouch right here. So yeah, is there anything else in here? Oh yeah, and I keep my receipts in here, because every receipt, I keep up with every single receipt to put in my financial journal, so I can write it down, know where I'm spending money at. What did I buy with these? Oh, I went in Dollar Tree with this one, and this one was Circle K, a gas station. So yeah, that's basically that compartment. Now in this second compartment, which is this one right here, of course, the telephone, you know what I'm saying, cause you know, you gotta have it, you know, period. But this is the, oh, I was gonna show y'all some stuff. No. So this is the iPhone 11. Y'all like my front screen of me and my son? Yeah, this me and my son right there is the home screen. But this is the iPhone 11. This is actually the yellow one, but I have a case on it. Let me focus this. But I have a case on it, so yeah. And eventually I will be doing a what's in my phone tag. But I mean, like I said, I don't feel like I'm really just that interesting to show y'all what's in my phone. Like, it's not really nothing. Just like it ain't really nothing in my purse. But here I am recording a video showing y'all what's in my purse. But anyway, I also have gum. This is extra sugar-free gum. This is the only gum I chew. I keep the big pack of gum because what you walking around with funky breath for? Like, You too grown for this. So, you know, in case I eat a burger with some onions or some chitlins or something, put some gum in. Because I'm not finna carry no toothbrush and go and brush my teeth. I'm just gonna put some gum in my mouth. Like, period. I keep a comb that I never use, like, unless I got some weave. But if it's my real hair, I most likely have it tied down like I do now. But I do keep a comb in here just in case. I have some Shea Cashmere and Silk Hand Cream. I want to say this came from Bath and Body Works. I use it, it leaves my hands pretty nice. You know, working around certain stuff can have your hands ashy. You know what? Matter of fact, like, put a little bit on right now. You know, leave my hands soft. You know, I have nails. I can't be walking around with ashy hands. So yeah, and it smells really, really good. It really does. I also have this Body Fantasy Signature Japanese Cherry Blossom fragrance body spray. So actually, I really use this like if I go to the bathroom and, you know, I had to do number 2. I spray a little bit, you know, toot, you know, try to mask the smell. I don't want to just leave it like that, you know. So I spray a little bit of this. I really don't spray it on my body because it's way too strong. And it came from Walmart, but it is way too strong. So I just toot after a little toot. You know what I'm saying? And I keep some lip gloss because this is just like, you know, regular lip moisturizer to me. So I keep lip gloss. This is the Jelly Lippies. This is by Ruby Kisses. Then this is the Broadway Vita whatever, coconut oil lip gloss. This is hydrates lips, locks in moistures, and shine without stickiness. Yep, it shines without stickiness. So gotta keep them lip glosses on deck. And you know, gotta keep some Carmex too, cause that wind be hitting your lips, and I ain't walking around with no cracked lips, period. I gotta get that Carmex and moisturize, you know. So, and low-key, like if I'm a little ashy like in between my hands and I don't want to put on a lotion, I be putting a little Carmex like in there, you know. But don't tell nobody. Then next, I have a marker because I really don't know why I have a marker, because whatever, you know. Keep a little change, which is very surprising because I keep all my money a certain way and I never really have change. So yeah, is that it? Is that all? So yep, I think that's all. That is all that is in my purse, guys. Like, simple, quick, you know. Do you have these similar products in your purse as well, or nah? All right. Make sure that you like, and make sure that you comment, and make sure that you subscribe, of course, blah blah blah. I also looked at my analytics too. Like, why are 75% of people that watch my video not subscribed? Like, that ain't cool. Subscribe to my channel, please. I would love it.
2,000 years later.
I'll be back. Look who it is. Say hi. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's all that is in my purse. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye bye. See you later, guys.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.